I'm going to do this. We're going to the Lake District. So off we go and we'll see you there. Phew. And here we are in the lakes at last. And have a look round, and what a beautiful, beautiful scenic view. There's a Kez over there. There's a buzzard knocking about over there. I've got my long wildlife lens. I've got shorter lenses, but only one camera, so which one do I put on? Do I do bird watching? Do I do scenery? I don't know. I'm gonna put my waterproof thing on this camera and I'm gonna try and get some underwater shots to see what it looks like. So let's see now. It'll take me about 5 minutes to set it up. Where are we, love?
The Lake District.
We're in the Lake District. We've just been doing some slow-mo from the rivers and underground, underwater. If you're into landscaping, you stop here long enough. There's light rays breaking through and you just wait for them to fall on whatever rocks you want to fall on. Be ready, and then you get a really nice shot. But we've been stood here for 10 minutes bird watching. Skylarks. See you in a bit. Right.
We also found an owl.
Oh, Julie found an owl and I thought it was an egret because she said there's a big white bird over there. I said that'll probably be an egret, and then 5 minutes later I looked, it was a barn owl. Oh, never mind.
You only looked because of my tone in the voice, mind you.
Yeah.
Telling you that it was back and it was big and it was white.
Yeah.
Just thought I'd point that out.
Right, onwards to the next. It's Martian, isn't it? This is a better one. So we're just trying to, instead of going straight to digs, right, we're just trying to kill a bit of time and enjoy ourselves and see what's around. So on the way to the digs, we just keep pulling over and see a lot of beauty spots. Look at that lovely bridge there. Absolutely lovely. Nice photograph that and all. And the water is crystal clear. I'm tempted to go and get my waterproof case again and just do some, in fact I am going to do, and just do some underwater pictures now of this bridge. You get what I mean? That's what I'm going to do in a minute. Just that Julie's got the keys and she's doing things. She's doing slow motion. She's experimenting, Julie. And I can't blame her. It's good fun. But if you're going to do slow motion, just click the camera and do it for about 3 or 4 seconds. Or else you'll have, if you do it any longer, you'll have minutes and minutes of slow motion video. But watch it now. Half in, half out. I love this picture. And coming up, wifey chucked some rocks in and we've got the slow motion footage. I love the water vortex. It's fantastic, isn't it? Transition end. We're in the room and Julie's mucking up. Right. To be fair, we once got here. And we're going to go for a quick pint before we have a shower. Which is out that door, down the stairs, round the corner, pint, back up, sorted. Alright, look.
Yeah.
Bing. Not the same drink pot?
Uh-oh.
I don't know.
There's your buddy.
No. Wow! Wasdale. No. There you are. There's Snaefell. Have a look at the scenery. There's a lot of landscape done from here, and they're usually low level, getting the rocks in the foreground and that in the background. My feet are wet. I'm going to try and tiptoe back. Like a quagmire. Wasdale. Snaefell. Wifey. Obsessed with some hikers that have just gone up the hill, one in shorts, and the coach driver who's just staying there all day, I think. I come up here. She's obsessed.
Oh, my binoculars are in the car.
What are you? The Lake District. It's been absolutely fantastic. We're stopping here because Julie seen a barn owl yesterday in that field.
Here in the Lake District, Wifey is looking for barn owl. Now, although we've seen barn owls today, we've not seen it today, have we, love?
No, he's not playing today.
Barn owls don't play, they fly to eat, and that's it. And when it's bad weather, they can't really stay out in the rain very long because their feathers get soaked. So you'll find when it's been bad the night before or the day before, they will come out during the day, especially if it's a bit clearer and the weather is more clement.
See you at home, and don't forget, if you like wildlife and stuff like that, do a Facebook group called Northwest Wildlife Watchers. Link in the description. So join that, put your pictures on, and I'll have a look at them. Thank you, and see you very soon. It's Jurassic Park, it's a massive park. Keep singing that. I think I'm doing it already.